In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Manychat. By the end, you'll have your Manychat account linked to ChatGPT through an API key, so you can power conversations with AI securely and reliably. We'll start inside your OpenAI account. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and open the section labeled API keys. Here, click Create New Secret Key. A pop-up will appear. You can add a name to help you identify the key later, which is optional but helpful if you manage multiple keys. Next, choose a project from the drop-down so the key is clearly associated with the right workspace. Then click Create Secret Key. Give the pop-up a moment to generate your key. When it appears, copy it immediately. Treat this key like a password. Keep it private, store it somewhere secure, and don't share it publicly. Many dashboards only display a secret key once, so if you miss it, you may need to create a new one. With the key copied to your clipboard, you're ready to switch over to Manychat. Now log into your Manychat account. On the left side, find the gear icon labeled Settings and click it. This is where you manage your account level connections and extensions, which is exactly what we need for linking ChatGPT. Inside Settings, look to the left panel and scroll until you see Integrations under the Extensions section. Then click Integrations. Scroll down the list until you find the option that says Connect ChatGPT account. You'll see a field where you can paste the API key you copied earlier. Paste the key carefully, making sure there aren't any extra spaces before or after it. Then click the button to connect your ChatGPT account. Manychat will validate the key. If it connects successfully, you'll typically see a confirmation message or a connected status. If you run into an error, double check that you copied the entire key, that it's still active in your OpenAI account, and that your selected project has the necessary access. Correcting those details usually resolves common connection issues. That's it. Your Manychat workspace is now linked to ChatGPT through your OpenAI API key. From here, you can start leveraging AI features inside your automations and conversations. Remember to keep your key secure, and if you ever need to rotate or disconnect it, return to the same integrations area in settings to manage the connection. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you connect ChatGPT with Manychat smoothly and confidently.